My role today is to guide us through, hopefully, a very lively discussion on and around the future of payments, a topic which is very close to the hearts, I think, of many of you who deal with payment matters on a daily basis. In my day job, I'm a partner and head of the European policy practice at Squire Patton Box, which is a global law firm. Our conference today, I think, is very well timed. It's one of the first events taking place after the PSD2, the Payment Services Directive number 2 rules, kicked in on the 13th of January 2018. And I think, depending on your viewpoint, the PSD2 rules and the open banking provisions in particular have the potential to be a real revolution rather than a mere evolution in a marketplace. The regulatory changes mean exciting opportunities, potential opportunities for many operators in the payments ecosystem. For retail customers, a range of new services is likely to emerge, including so-called lifestyle offerings, which may enable payments and other financial services via one consolidated platform to better and faster peer-to-peer, but also consumer-to-business payment solutions. Or think of the combination of the new instant payment possibilities with account payment solutions. For corporates, there's multi-account management, cash pooling, cash management, or enhanced risk scoring opportunities, which keep executives excited. But these opportunities are accompanied by various risks, old ones and familiar ones and new ones. Such old risks or known risks include fraud, money laundering, and other forms of financial crime, increasingly performed by the internet. And such cyber threats are one key concern in the new web-based open banking environment. New risks also abound and often go hand in hand with new developments. The advent of new fintech players blurs the lines between the previously well-established categories of financial institutions. Virtual currencies and the underlying technologies push the boundaries of the existing regulatory framework. And then, of course, there are external shocks, such as Brexit. As you can see, we have lots to talk about today, and I think the organizers, QAD, have done, again, a fantastic job in securing great speakers from different parts of the payments industry, as well as legislators and supervisors, in order to shed light on the various developments and risks and to answer any questions you may have. We will start the discussions this afternoon with a look at payments in a digital world and ask the question how fintech operators and new technologies impact the payments industry. We will hear from our panelists about new products and new technologies, but also about their views, how they expect the market to evolve in the coming years, and how to deal with the plethora of challenges and risk factors. In the second panel, later this afternoon, we will focus specifically on the regulatory regime for retail payments in Europe. Our speakers will shed light on their experience with the new PSD regime in recent weeks, but then also go a level deeper and look at specific aspects of the new PSD2 regime and the broader EU payments regulatory landscape. This broader regime, as you all know very well, includes other areas of law, such as anti-money laundering or data privacy rules, and also an increasing number of level 2, level 3 rules being put forward by the European supervisory authorities, or other soft laws, standards being produced by other bodies, such as the European Retail Payments Board. This leads arguably to an increasingly multi-layered, interlinked, and sophisticated regulatory regime for payments in the EU, which will presumably keep all of us busy and employed in the years to come.